Embracing the Green Ride, your guide to eco-friendly commuting. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important and timely topic: eco-friendly commuting. This concept is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about doing so in a way that's kind to our planet. Let's explore what it means to commute in an eco-friendly manner and why it's so crucial for us and future generations. Eco-friendly commuting refers to the practice of traveling from one place to another, typically for work or school, in a manner that has minimal environmental impact. This means choosing modes of transportation that reduce carbon emissions, conserve energy, and make less use of non-renewable resources. Examples include walking, biking, using public transportation, carpooling, and driving electric vehicles. It's no secret that transportation is one of the largest sources of carbon emissions worldwide. By opting for eco-friendly commuting methods, we can significantly lower our carbon footprint, combat climate change, and contribute to cleaner air and a healthier environment. Plus, it often leads to savings on fuel and parking costs, and can even improve your physical health and well-being. 1. Assess your options. Look into the different modes of transportation available in your area. Public transit, biking, and walking paths can offer convenient and eco-friendly alternatives to driving. 2. Plan ahead. Combining errands or planning routes efficiently can reduce the number of trips you need to make. 3. Embrace technology. Apps and websites can help you find carpool partners or plan the most efficient route. 4. Be flexible. If possible, try working from home a few days a week to cut down on commute time altogether. Switching to an eco-friendly commute might seem daunting due to convenience, time, or infrastructure concerns. However, many cities are improving their public transport systems and cycling infrastructure. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. Starting with just one eco-friendly commute per week is a great step forward. Thank you for joining us today to explore the world of eco-friendly commuting. We hope this video has inspired you to consider how your daily commute can impact the environment and encouraged you to take steps towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Remember, every eco-friendly commute counts towards a healthier planet. See you in the next video.